So, how do you reset an Amazon Fit watch? Let me show you how to do that. Step number 1, start on the main screen, click the crown. It's kind of cool. If you listen really carefully, you hear that? That's haptic feedback on the crown. So cool. But before we reset it, there's a big important question. How loud is the alarm clock on this watch? Let's find out. So to set an alarm, just go here, scroll until you see the little orange thing, alarm, and then you can set multiple alarms, but no more than 10. So we're gonna have to change one. And right now the time is, what time is it, Garmin? 15:10. Yeah, I think it's easier just to set a new alarm. So me talking right near the microphone is 80 decibels. So me talking near the alarm is 75 to 80. That drops down to 27. So my car is pretty quiet. We should get an alarm in just a second. Okay, quiet on set. So that's pretty good, about 55 decibels. Not bad. So now, let's reset the watch. So kind of two ways to do this. You can go to the settings menu, scroll, click on settings, scroll all the way down to system, and then choose factory reset, or you can just swipe, scroll on over, go to settings that way, and then scroll down all the way to system, factory reset. Factory reset will clear all data and you will need to rebind it before it can be used again. Are you sure? Yes. And just like that, it wipes everything from the watch. Now, before you do this process, you want to make sure you have synchronized it, and I synchronized it not just once, but twice. And then it reboots, you get the cool boot up logo of Zepp OS, and that's it. And now it's restarted, and now you can sell the watch. And if I do a long press here or a back, there we go. And it's not letting me shut down. Thinking if I do a long press here, it's in German, emoji. So I kind of like two buttons. Well, the good news is I got it back in English, but it doesn't let me turn it off even if I do a long press. And there you go, a fun video of how you reset the Amazfit GTS3 and how loud the alarm is. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for today. Goodbye.